Today we will talk about the 5 best vitamins to boost metabolism naturally. The body's metabolism involves breaking down food and nutrients to produce energy and facilitate various bodily functions. One's diet, including the intake of vitamins and minerals, can impact their metabolic process. If metabolism is faster, calories are burned more rapidly, which lowers the likelihood of weight gain. As a person grows older, their metabolism slows down naturally. Certain vitamins and minerals have the ability to maintain a healthy metabolism. Although supplements may be beneficial, it is advisable to rely primarily on whole foods as they are the most reliable source for obtaining necessary vitamins and minerals. The top 5 vitamins and minerals that aid in maintaining and enhancing bodily functions, such as metabolism and promoting healthy weight management, are B vitamins. In the body, the B vitamins have several significant functions related to energy metabolism. These vitamins consist of B12, biotin, folate, B6, pantothenic acid or B5, niacin or B3, riboflavin or B2, thiamine or B1. If a person lacks one type of B vitamin, it can negatively impact the other B vitamins and cause problems with the way their body processes nutrients. B12 plays a crucial role in the breakdown of proteins and fats. Its proper functioning is dependent on the presence of B6 and folate. B6 also helps metabolize protein. Thiamine assists in the metabolic process of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates within the body. Being able to metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates is crucial. If your metabolism is functioning properly, your body will use these nutrients for energy instead of storing them as excess fat. To fulfill their daily requirements, individuals should consume foods on a routine basis that are rich in B vitamins. Foods that are great sources of B vitamins can be considered as healthy options. Lean meats and seafood, barley and brown rice are examples of whole grains, dairy products. Eggs. There are certain types of fruit that include bananas, apples, grapes, and watermelon, nuts and seeds. Some types of produce like spinach, potatoes, and squash are categorized as vegetables. Vegetarians and vegans may face challenges in obtaining sufficient amounts of vitamin B12 as it is exclusively found in animal-based food items. Other than dairy products, there are other foods that may have B12. Fortified plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, fortified breakfast cereals, meat substitutes, some spreads, such as Marmite, vitamin D. 2 research studies investigated the relationship between vitamin D and weight in elderly women and children. Both studies discovered that individuals with higher levels of body fat had lower levels of vitamin D compared to those with less body fat. At the moment, it is unclear whether obesity causes a deficiency in vitamin D, or if low levels of this vitamin lead to weight gain. A person's weight may be influenced by various factors such as their diet, ability to control blood sugar levels, and exposure to sunlight while outside. Numerous studies have indicated that vitamin D can potentially regulate blood glucose levels and enhance insulin sensitivity among individuals who suffer from diabetes. Unlike other important vitamins, individuals can obtain vitamin D through exposure to sunlight. The quickest method for replenishing vitamin D is through safe exposure to the sun. Foods that contain vitamin D include egg yolks, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are examples of oily fish, cod liver oil, beef liver, fortified dairy, fortified plant-based milk, fortified breakfast cereals, some types of mushrooms. If an individual is carrying excess weight, simply taking vitamin supplements may not lead to weight improvement. It is necessary to also make changes in one's daily habits and behaviors in order to lose weight. In spite of that, a research conducted in 2016 discovered that women who have undergone menopause and have type 2 diabetes can improve their blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation by consuming yogurt fortified with vitamin D. In addition, they were able to reduce the circumference of their waist. A prior research indicated that postmenopausal women who consumed calcium and vitamin D supplements together experienced a minor decrease in their likelihood of gaining weight. It is advisable for individuals to undergo an annual assessment of their vitamin D levels and consult with their healthcare provider about the use of supplements in the case that their levels are persistently inadequate. Calcium. Continuing from the aforementioned studies, Additional research indicates that calcium is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolic rate and regulating blood sugar levels, as well as promoting strong bones. According to certain research conducted in 2010, it is proposed that taking more calcium along with vitamin D can aid in weight loss related to diet. According to a study conducted in 2007, individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed a high amount of dairy calcium experienced an improvement in their weight loss. Additional studies are required to determine if this approach is a successful technique for losing weight. Although calcium supplements are an option, it is recommended that individuals prioritize obtaining sufficient amounts of calcium from their diet before turning to supplements. Foods high in calcium are milk, yogurt, fortified cereals, fortified orange juice, dark green, leafy vegetables, seeds, almonds, iron. Iron is crucial for proper growth, metabolism, and cellular function of the body. It is also essential in the production of certain hormones. Iron is necessary for transporting oxygen in red blood cells. The red blood cells transport oxygen to various muscles and tissues in the body. When an individual has insufficient amounts of iron in their body, it can cause their muscles to not receive enough oxygen. If the muscles do not have enough oxygen, they are unable to efficiently burn fat as a source of energy. In addition, low levels of iron also disrupt the overall metabolic processes within the body. Sources of iron include meat, beans, fortified cereals, brown rice, nuts, dark green, leafy vegetables, tofu, and soybeans. Iron is essential for the body, but excessive intake can also be harmful. Therefore, individuals should consult with a physician or nutritionist before taking supplements to ensure they do not have an iron deficiency. Magnesium. The occurrence of chemical reactions that generate energy in the body cannot transpire without magnesium. As a result, magnesium is vital for metabolism and the generation of energy. There is a wide assortment of foods that contain magnesium, which includes nuts and seeds, legumes, spinach, bananas, salmon and halibut, whole grains, potatoes. If someone wants to take magnesium supplements, it's best to check with a doctor first, since these supplements could cause negative reactions in individuals with certain pre-existing medical conditions. In the end, if a person is considering trying out new vitamin or mineral supplements in order to increase their metabolism and shed some extra pounds, it is recommended that they first consult with a medical professional. Consuming these essential nutrients does not guarantee an enhanced metabolism, but it can promote sufficient nourishment and address any existing deficiencies. This may aid in averting unintentional weight gain and supporting a healthy metabolic rate. In excessive quantities, certain supplements can have negative consequences on a person's health, exacerbate existing medical issues, or interfere with their current medication regimen. The most secure manner to increase metabolism-enhancing nutrients in our diet is to consume a well-balanced meal that is rich in diverse and nourishing food items.